What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about these awesome ARGB extension cables that I have right here. These are the Lian Strimer Plus V2. So let's go ahead and take a look. The cable that we're going to be talking about today is going to be this one. This is their 24-pin ATX power extension. So this is going to work with any 24-pin ATX power connection on your motherboard. All you have to do is plug your 24-pin ATX power connection from your power supply into this cable, and then you plug this cable, of course, into your motherboard. Now, I have the white clip here on the end. It's also going to come with a black one if that's what you want. Now, this will have a total of 120 ARGBs throughout the different ropes here. It also comes with cable combs to keep everything nice and tidy. The 24-pin cable will, of course, come with a cable here itself. It will come with a controller. This allows you to use Lian software. You have the cabling for that. You have some 3M adhesive for the controller. And then you have a set of white clips. As you can see by default, the black clips are installed here. Now I'm going to show you the lighting effects that you're going to get with Lian's L-Connect 3 software. Remember, you do need Lian's controller to use this software, but you can also just use a 3-pin ARGB and connect these straight into your motherboard, and then use your motherboard's RGB software. So the default effect is going to be rainbow. And with all of these effects, you can change the speed and the brightness. So just to show you brightness, we're at 100%. We'll go down to 75%, and then down to 50%, and then down to 25%. And then we'll go ahead and turn all of them off. So you can turn these off if you don't want them on either. We'll go all the way back up to 100%. And again, we'll go through a different effect. So we're just on rainbow. We'll go to wave here. And I have the speed on this one set to 50%, but just to show you speed as well. So we'll bring that speed down to 25%. And then we'll bring that speed up to 75%. And then bring that speed up again to 100%. So just to give you an idea of the speed as well. So after wave, we just have static color. I have it set to blue, but that is your static color. And I'll give you a couple color options here. So maybe we want to change this to say red. We do that. Or if we want to change it again to maybe like a green, let's go ahead and do that. So just to show you the different static colors that you can pick. Breathing, again, I have breathing set to red, but you can again pick your own color, but this is the breathing effect. And then we have a rainbow morph effect. And then we have an effect called snooker. And again, all of these are running at 100% speed. So again, you can slow these down if you want to. The next one is called mixing. And again, you can pick the colors that you want for this one. So that is the mixing effect. And then we have ping pong. And then after ping pong, we have paint. And after paint, we have runway. And for runway, you do get to pick the colors as well. After runway, we have tide. After tide, we have blow up. And then after blow up, the last effect is meteor. And with a lot of these effects, you can choose the direction as well. So this is going one direction. Let's switch that direction. So you can see we switched the direction. Really easy to go ahead and do that with the software. We'll go all the way back to rainbow. And yeah, I really like these. These add a lot of lighting inside your system. They're super easy to set up. And again, they're going to work with any power supply as well. So very easy to do. And if you do get the one that comes with a controller, you can control everything via software. And they are compatible with all 3-pin ARGB headers on your motherboard as well.